In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a project to Asana using Google Sheets. We'll walk through this together, step by step, so by the end you'll know exactly how to turn a spreadsheet into a fully structured Asana project. Before we start, make sure you're logged into your Asana workspace and that your Google Sheet is ready, with your tasks organized in rows and your details, like due dates or assignees, arranged in columns. First, look at the left-hand sidebar of your Asana workspace. Find the section where your projects are listed. At the top of that list, or near it, you'll see a small plus icon. This plus sign is what you use whenever you want to create something new. Go ahead and click that plus sign beside Project. This will open a menu with options for creating different types of projects. From the menu that appears, choose the option labeled New Project. This tells Asana that you want to create a completely new project, not just a task or a template. When you click New Project, Asana will open a new window or panel with different ways to set it up. In that setup view, look for an option called Import. This is usually grouped with other ways to start a project, such as templates or blank projects. Click on Import. This is where Asana lets you bring in external data, like a CSV file or a spreadsheet, and turn it into Asana tasks automatically. Once you're in the import section, you'll be asked to fill in the key details for your new project. Give your project a clear descriptive name so everyone on your team knows what it's about. You may also be able to choose the team or workspace where the project belongs, adjust the privacy or sharing settings, and pick whether you want a list or board layout. Take a moment here to double check these options, because they will define how your imported tasks are organized. After you've filled in the project details, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Asana will guide you through connecting your Google Sheet, selecting the right file, and mapping your spreadsheet columns to Asana fields like task name, due date, assignee, and any custom fields you might want. Review the preview that Asana shows you to confirm everything looks right before you finish. When you're done, Asana will create the project and automatically